See the ETFE. Still going at it. Wow. The ETFE coverage is coming along. And then this is going to be for a SoFi sign, I think. Some kind of mounting hardware. And we still have spotted two with my binoculars. A couple of workers up there on the roof. Let me see what those one's up to. I've seen some other videos where the field, as you know, was installed, but now it's being covered up, and they are using some other types of machinery to reach back up and do some work, like on the Oculus and some other elevated things. Yeah, one on the left, one on the right. Heck of a view up there. Got some face shield gear on, masks. It's good. A crane here, which I presume will be used when they are ready to lift some of this signage, which I believe is over here. We're still waiting on that, unfortunately. Alright, I'm looking towards the west here, on the east facing side of the stadium. Looks like they're starting to brighten up some of these perforated panels. You can see a color difference. You can see some sheets here of ETFE. But yeah, looks like they're putting a coating here, brighten it up. Interesting. Looking over toward the performance venue. Trying to get this wall developed. And up above the performance venue, you've got more of those big, I think those are like rectangular foam insulation pieces. You can see them being distributed. You can see many more, I assume, are pallets of items on this level 8 area, where you've got all these kind of food court restaurant deals with Olvera Street tacos, and of course you've got San Vicente. Looks like another parking sign way over there, the eastern end of the site. And some more looks south of the stadium. Got these palm trees still with the fronds tied up for the time being. Take a look at the wall of the performance venue. It's really starting to take shape here. The kind of curves here on the end. Looking really nice. some of the signage here that looks mostly complete. And then you got the driveway coming in from Yukon and Century. I guess this is Lot P. There's a Lot Q next to Lot P. Looking at the stairway here, and the siding part looks like it's not even finished yet. So they're really putting things on the back burner, I guess. 'Cause there's no way this thing's gonna be finished by the 25th. July. Not a chance. We all know that, but crazy. And we got a stray dog on the road. Tried to get his attention, but he ran away from me.